Yo, what's up? And welcome to the very first episode of Midnight Cap. I am Lo, and this is where we dive into creepy videos, ghost hunts, and any horror stuff in the internet. So if you're into spooky vibes, spine chilling, and jump scares, you're in the right place. So let's go.
Top 5 scary ghost
Top
videos
5.
caught on camera.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock. This video comes from a man named Mario, who has been experiencing some paranormal activity for quite some time. From objects moving by themselves, shadow figure sightings around the house, and many more. It has gotten to the point where Mario doesn't know what to do anymore. He has tried calling priests to come and exorcise whatever evil presence lies within his house, but they didn't believe him. So one day, he decided to record these events for proof, and this is what he captured.
5 de la tarde, en mi casa,
Grabe.
veo la cámara, llaman, no hay nadie.
Uy.
Pero no hay nadie.
Oh.
No hay
Grabe.
nadie. Golpean la puerta. Esto es rarísimo.
Uy.
Ay,
Uy, ano yun? Ayun o. May hugis ng ulo dun oh. Grabe.
rarísimo. ¿Qué es esto? No hay nadie parado
Ano
abajo.
yun? May hugis ng ulo dun oh.
¿Es algo, Batata?
Grabe, tumatayo balayubok. Andun talaga siya oh.
Estoy en pedo y hay alguien ahí. ¿Qué carajo es esto? ¿Quién está ahí? ¿Lo doy?
After checking that there was no one outside, he noticed that there was a shadow in the window that looked like a person. Mario states that there was nothing on the other side that could have caused this shadow, and to make things worse, the bike pump right in front of it fell off the chair all on its own. I hope we'll get to see more footage from Mario soon, but just what do you guys think of this? Is this house really haunted, or is it just a simple ruse? You judge. The hospital patient. This next video comes from the TikTok user Noah.vq, who works as a security guard and does the night shifts for an abandoned hospital building that is soon scheduled to be demolished. He usually patrols the corridors and checks to make sure that nobody is trespassing on the premises, but often finds himself getting startled by sudden sounds and strange occurrences that he just can't explain. On one particular night, the hospital alarm goes off, so he goes over to investigate the cause of the alarm, but captures something creepy instead.
Alright, besides that alarm, I just heard some more sounds. I don't know what it is, man, but this place is creepy.
Uy. Pare ko.
A hospital bed just comes sliding around a corner on its own, freaking Noah out. However, he can't just up and leave as he must fulfill his duty as a security guard. But later in the night, he hears something again and goes over to check, this time inspecting each room as he walks by to ensure they're all empty. And that's when he captures this.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and look over here. Checking the rooms and. Dude, shit, honestly, like. Yeah, this shit.
This time, something else comes sliding down the hallway and crashes into the wall.
Oo nga. Ano yun?
Dude, this shit, honestly, like.
Now, for the next few weeks, not much really happens until one day the creepy noises return. This time, when he goes to investigate, he captures something absolutely chilling.
Alright, guys, I'm at the empty floors. I was hearing some noise coming up right now. It's kind of freaking me out, so.
Hoy! Ay, baliin mo ka doon! Oh my God.
While walking past each room, Noah captures what looks like a terrifying black shadow figure
OMG.
just standing there over by the window inside one of
Goodness.
the rooms.
Ano
But when
yun?
he turns back a few seconds
Grabe,
after to
nakita
check
ko ba-
again, there's nothing there. So, is this a real shadow figure inside a haunted hospital building? Or is it all just a simple ruse? The judgment is yours. Tormented Dog.
Top 3. Tormented.
YouTuber Hoopla22 recently uploaded a strange and creepy video. He says that I used to be a non-believer till now or last night. Thought my buddy Derek was pulling a prank on me like he always does. So I tried to record in an attempt to catch him in the act. I was on the toilet when it happened, and I heard Nala barking like crazy, which made me think he was in the house. I was so wrong. Nala and I are staying at my parents' house for now. She's okay, but her little trembles have not gone away ever since that night. Needless to say, what Hoopla captured terrified both him and his dog Nala. Take a look.
Nala! Nala!
Grabe. Tumatawag yung aso, ano?
Nala!
Di ba ganun yung mga aso kapag meron sila nakikita? Tahol ng tahol talaga. Ayun o, parang umangayaw na yung aso. Uy, sobrang dilim naman dyan.
Nala?
Wala man lang kailaw-ilaw.
Derek?
Uy, ano yun? May nahulog pa. Kasi ang aso niya. Ako, pre, saglit.
Nala, come on out. Nala, come on out. Seriously.
Nakakabahan ako. Baka biglang nasa harapan niya. Asan yung aso niya? Oh my God. Parang may nakatayo sa harapan niyo.
Derek?
OMG. Oh my. Eh no, parang may nakatayo sa harapan. Oh my God, tumatay
Nala,
yung
where'd you
balibo
go,
ko.
princess?
Wala man lang ilaw.
Nala?
No. What's wrong, Angel?
yung aso, magtatago. Bakit?
Who do I love? Who do I love, pretty girl? Okay.
Creepy nung bahay, grabe.
That is just so weird. I've like never seen her that scared. I've never seen her get that scared.
Uy! Ano yun?
Derek? Derek, that you?
Natatakot yung aso eh. Oh. Hindi siya makalabas ng kwarto eh.
Nala. Come on, we're going.
Oh,
Nala, we're leaving. Let's go.
Oh, shoot. Shoot.
Come on, baby.
As he searches the house, he finds his dog Nala hiding in a room while trembling in fear. He then hears something coming from the kitchen, which causes him to panic and command his dog to get up so they can leave, thinking there may be an intruder inside his house and not his friend Derek.
Creepy.
But suddenly, the door to their room slams shut, leaving Hoopla stunned with fear. He has been staying at his parents' house ever since. But Nala has not stopped shaking till this day. Hopefully she'll go back to normal soon. I do think this could be a genuine paranormal experience, especially judging by the whimpering sounds Nala was making. But once again, the judgment is yours. Be on the top 5s.
Guys, subscribe kayo dito kay Depths of Despair. Sobrang gaganda naman ang compilation ng mga horror videos niya. Grabe. Sobrang ganda. Siyempre, subscribe na rin kayo sa akin. Di ba? Mas okay din yun.
Send them over to depthsofdespair01@gmail.com. Light in the Woods. TikTok user Mr. Fender76 has a whole page based on cars, family life, and work projects. Nothing to do with the paranormal. However, he recently purchased a 2002 Nissan Xterra and decided to install some LED reverse lights on it. And one of his viewers requested that he test it out and show the performance of the lights.
Xterra.
And so Mr. Fender decided to head into the woods to showcase his new installation, but managed to capture something absolutely terrifying instead.
The lights are definitely functional, but unfortunately I live in a city and there are street lights everywhere. But I can find a place to go test them. Okay, I found some really dark woods. I just put some tinfoil over the reverse lights. So I'm going to show you what the stock reverse lights look
Dark
like, and then I'm going
woods.
to uncover them and show you what the added reverse lights look like.
Creepy
These
niya.
are the stock reverse lights.
Literally can't see anything.
And these are the ones I just installed.
Wow, ano ba?
Look how friggin' bright
Ano
that
yun?
is.
Parang may
This is amazing.
something
Yeah,
doon sa
so
may dulo.
these are not just for looks.
After the car lights turn on, a creepy looking hand can be seen just sliding back around the tree
Oh my God,
and
oo
into
nga.
the darkness. Mr. Fender then decided to come back here during the day to take a look.
Okay, this road goes down to the lake, which is right there, and a public boat landing. This is where my truck was backed in. Well, it's actually a path, and that is the tree with the stick leaned up against it. As you can see, people illegally dump stuff out here all the time. Mostly trash, but a lot of animal carcasses too. And this is the tree.
Baka trippings yun, no? Baka may tao talaga doon. Malay natin, di ba? Nuno sa
Here we
punso.
are behind the tree. It's where my ex chair was back then. I'm about 5'10". I'm not a very superstitious person, so you're not going to get much out of me. I just think, if anything,
Encanto
somebody
pala.
back
Ano?
here.
A creepy hand behind a tree in the complete darkness of the night. And he still thinks it was just a person. To be honest, that would be the scariest possibility anyway. What do you think? Ghost or a person or something else? Let me know down below.
Yun yung sobrang nakakatakot kapag pumunta ka sa mga gubat na sobrang liblib, 'di ba? Di mo alam kung safe or what. Ang pinakadelikado doon. Siguro mas gugustuhin ko pang makakita ng multo kaysa sa mga NPA o kaya yung mga holdapper, mga matay tao, yung mga ganon, di ba? Mas okay pa makita ng multo kaysa sa mga ganon eh. Di ba? Matakot ka na sa multo. Ay, matakot ka na sa buhay, wag lang sa multo. Yun. Top 1.
Humanoid Woods.
Humanoid Woods.
An Indonesian YouTuber by the name Wak Ringo usually likes to explore supposedly haunted locations around the country that are recommended to him by his viewers. And for a while now they have been requesting that he go and explore a particular forest in Indonesia. A forest that many locals claimed they had seen humanoid creatures within. And so, upon his arrival, he decided to turn on his live stream. And as he makes his way through the woods, not much happens for the most part of it. Until he captures something terrifying.
Kalian dengar sesuatu? Kalian dengar suara? Kalian dengar suara dan mereka seperti mengikuti di belakang gua, teman-teman.
Grabe, kinakabahan ako para sa'yo, par.
Ya, gue dengar suara.
Ano yun?
Gue dengar suara, teman-teman. Dan arahnya di daerah sini. Astagfirullah.
Uy! Oh my.
Anjing.
Takbo, pre!
Goblok.
OMG.
Traveling through the forest, he encounters some humanoid creatures. And just moments later, one of them charges towards him while making a creepy sound.
Dami nila!
He instantly runs away and doesn't return. Now, are these real humanoid creatures or not? You judge.
Grabe. Grabe yun. Wait. Di ko alam kung ano. Yun nga, Encanto, Aswang, ano ba yun? Alien. Ito, so merong bonus si Depths of Despair. Panoorin natin.
Bonus Beast Encounter. This next video comes from the TikTok page The Weird Shelf. And in the footage, a man was out near the woods with a family member over in Blue Ridge, Georgia, in the United States. When all of a sudden he started hearing some loud growling sounds and decided to get his camera out and start recording. But he never expected to lay eyes on this beast. Take a look.
Get in the house! Get in the house!
Uy, ayun. OMG. Oh my God, ano yun? Hindi. Parang ano eh. Parang taba at saka malaki. Oh. Gorilla ba yun? Parang gorilla. Oh. Baka si Bigfoot yun.
As he records, he captures a tall humanoid-looking figure heading into the woods and decides to follow in pursuit to identify what it may be. The creature looks tall and brown, leading many people to believe that this is a Bigfoot sighting.
Sabi ni, baka
But just
Bigfoot
what do you
yun.
guys think? As always, the final judgment is yours to make.
Ayun, so guys, thank you so much sa sinamahan nyo akong panonood. So, kung gusto nyo pang manood ng mga ganitong klaseng videos, please subscribe below. Paki-like na rin tong video na to and share nyo sa mga friends nyo at relatives nyo. Itong channel ko, hindi lang to about sa mga reaction videos. So, pag may time, mag-explore din tayo sa mga haunted places. Pwede nyo i-comment sa baba kung saan nyo gustong puntahan natin, ng first destination natin. And, kung may mga request kayong videos na gusto kong panoorin, please comment below. Yun. Guys, thank you so much ulit and please subscribe. So, magkita-kita ulit tayo. This is Midnight Cap, where night never sleeps. Bye-bye.
Midnight Cap.